Hello lovelies and welcome to my channel. I'm truly Tara and here I do unboxings and reviews on skincare, beauty, this, that, the other. And today I have Macy's, which this is not a sub box or anything like that. This is something that I ordered from them, from their site. And it's their, basically it's their Christmas stuff. It's not an advent calendar. It is, if you spend $40 on this, then we're going to give you this for such and such. So I don't even remember what it was, but I can honestly tell you that it was like $160 for me to get all of this stuff. And the big reason that I went ahead and did it is because I want to try all of this stuff. And I got it at a amazing price. So let's just go ahead and unbox this. And I'm pretty sure this is like what I got that made I can't remember what it was. It was like if you spend 40 something on this, then you get this for 80 something. So I think that actually rounds up to like 120, but you get the gist of what I'm saying. So okay, so it tells you SRP. The value is $120. And I guess I got it for 68. But I don't know. I don't know. But let me show. Look how pretty that is. I opened this in front of my daughter. And she was so impressed just by that. Just by that. So, alright. So what you get in this is their Estee Lauder daytime skincare stuff. So that is what I am working with right now. So you get a wash, a face wash, perfectly clean, multi-action foam cleanser, and I have used this and it is really nice. It gives you kind of a Noxzema remember that? That's just kind of what it reminds me of. I don't know why. The smell isn't the same, but that texture, definitely that texture. And then you get an eye cream. And I don't know if you can see that packaging, but it's not like a perfect circle. It's, I don't know, it's cool to me. So it is Estee Lauder Day Wear Eye. And then you get this big ol' Estee Lauder Day Wear Multi-Protection Antioxidant 24-hour moisture cream. And I have already tried this. It is a very thick, yummy, to me, moisturizer. It wears perfectly under makeup. Perfect. The smell is not crazy or it's great. I wasn't even expecting to get this. And I love that bottle. I do. It's not a perfect circle. And with this, you get the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. And I love serums. And I already knew that I loved this serum. So to get this was just a bonus. So, alright. So you get that. And then you get this bad boy for 80 something bucks. Totally worth it. And I got all kinds of like Star Money and blah, blah, blah. Because I am a Macy's like card holder. I don't hold a lot of cards with anybody, but I do with Macy's. And bam, look at that beautiful, beautiful. Like, I think there was a couple of different colors. Like, you could get this in like gold, or you could get the red. So red is my color. So I mean, that's just Christmas vibes, right? So bam, like, you get the whole Estee Lauder like treatment, I guess is the best way to say it. So you start out with the beautiful Magnolia Nourishing Hand Cream. So then you get like 2 lipsticks. Bam. And look at these. Like, so pretty. Bam. I will never wear that color, but it's you know, it's all right. You never know. I mean, maybe someday. I'm definitely opening my eyes to different colors. And you know, I used to never wear reds, and all of a sudden now I'm wearing red lipstick. Like I'm really enjoying it. Okay, so next, if I can get it out. Okay. So you have the lipsticks, and then you have some glosses. And look at that. This is my kind of color. And I actually need color right now. So, I mean, it's just a little gloss, but that little gloss is everything sometimes. I mean, yeah, it just lit me right up, did it not? So you have that brown, and I should have looked at what color that was, actually. Okay, so next. This is I can't see that, like, it's red. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, okay, all right, hang on. Let's line this out real quick. Oh, there we go. There. Is it crazy? Am I crazy? There we go. Okay. So, yeah, the colors, like, it's impossible to see that. Like, maybe you can see it. I can't. I'm sorry. I'm 47 years old. I can't see that little tiny color. All right. So let's get started on the skincare. All right. So you're going to start out with the makeup remover. And I do love makeup removers. Usually I like a balm, but I will try this. Like, I'm down to try it. Now, next, which is one of the biggest reasons that I got this, was the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Cleansing Gel with 15 amino acids. Like, I got a tiny one of these, and it's like all the skincare stuff that I have, like, I washed my face with it and I felt an immediate, like, wow, my skin feels amazing. Like, usually that will happen with, like a scrub or something. This is just a regular face wash. And it's amazing. It's amazing. So that is the biggest reason that I went ahead and got this. It's just, I don't know what it is about it. So then you get the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Gel Cream. I mean, you get the whole thing. You get the whole package. Then you get the Advanced Night Repair Serum. How do I love serums? Let me count the ways. And then, all right, you get the Revitalizing Supreme Multi-Power Cream. And again, it's that cool, not a perfect circle. Like, it's, I don't know what shape you call that, but to me, it's amazing. It's just different, and different screams to me. Anything different, like, I love. So look at that. And the smell is just, like, intoxicating. Like it's so perfect for nighttime. The serum, the cream, like, it is so amazing for nighttime. I just accidentally put the lid back on, but I can tell you, it just smells so good. It does. Perfect for nighttime. Okay. So, like I said, the one thing you paid $40 for, and then you got this set for like 80 something. Again, altogether it was like $160. These two things together, which, and to me, and then like getting the star money and all that, like, worth it 100%, because it's a whole skincare routine, like, and some makeup, because I'm not done. And the bag. And the pretty velvet red bag. Okay. So, next, we have... Is this Estee Lauder? I mean... Sumptuous Extreme Lash Multiplying Volume Mascara. So I'm guessing... Yeah, it's all Estee Lauder. Yeah. So I have to try that out for you guys and let you know what I think. Because y'all know I'm picky about my mascara. Like, I will tell you in a heartbeat whether it's good or if it's bad. Alright, and then you get a palette. Celestial Glow. Oh, I love it. So I cannot wait to try this. I will try it first thing tomorrow. Like, this is what I will wear to work. You can see like where I did one earlier. Very creamy. Oh, look, yeah. I love anything that will show right up. Like, the second that, like, bam, it shows right up. I cannot stand whenever I have a palette, whether it be a highlighter, whatever. Whenever I put my finger in it and I do that and it doesn't show up, it makes me crazy. Like, you do better. Do better. But let's see. Let's try this one. And they're not named, but that's okay. I mean, you don't have to be named. Okay, so that didn't show up crazy great. But, I mean, it's also next to some really dark colors. Let's try this one. Yeah. Wow. Okay. One more. Yeah. I mean, that's some great colors. And I mean, wow. I cannot wait to try this palette. Like, let me try one more color just cuz. This is the lightest color. Um oh, yes. Like I immediately seen it. Yeah. Okay, so again, I know that this altogether was 160, and like this by itself is probably like 50-60 bucks. So then the serum by itself is 50-60 bucks. So considering you got daytime serum, cream, eye, and then you got the whole nighttime routine, including face washes. Um, yeah, that's awesome. That's awesome. Not to mention, okay, hang on. Let me even take this out. Like, then you got this. Like, am I going to take my lunch to work with me tomorrow in this? To Harbor Freight? Maybe not. Probably not. But I could. Like, it's just so pretty. And, like, it's just so Christmassy. Like, I love red. Red, like, yeah. So, and red just reminds me of Macy's. Like, red and Macy's. Like, I don't know. They go together. But, I mean, you got everything from lotion to a palette to lipstick, lip gloss, face wash. Like, you got the whole thing. You got the whole 9 yards, day and night. So, 160 bucks, yeah, that's worth it. That is 100% worth it, because if you take all of these items and you add them up singular, yeah, like you're going to be paying a whole lot more. So this was a great deal. Um so yeah, that's it. Like, I've been dying to show you guys this. I've had it for like a week, and yeah, like y'all already know. Okay, so that's gonna be it. I'm gonna shut up now, but y'all tell me, what am I wearing? What who is this? What is this? I'll give you one guess. Like, it's a old, it's not even an old rock band. Like, it's a rock band though. Am I giving it? Oh, on my, oh, okay. Oops, I feel like I just gave it away. Um, so yeah, this is the next, like, if you get who this is, you're going to get a free Allure box. The last Allure that I opened, yeah, they sent me 2 of them. So y'all are going to get one of them. So, all right, I'm going to shut up now, and I'll see you guys in the next. Mwah.